The pharmaceutical industry is evolving faster than ever before. Every year, new medicines, vaccines, and therapies are developed to treat diseases and improve patient lives. But before any medicine reaches the market, it must go through clinical trials to prove that it is safe and effective. Behind these clinical trials, there is one highly important department that manages and verifies all trial information, clinical data management, commonly known as CDM. So, why is clinical data management becoming one of the most promising career options in the pharmaceutical industry? Let's understand. Clinical data management is the process of collecting, organizing, validating, and maintaining data generated during clinical trials. Whenever researchers test a new medicine on patients, a large amount of data is collected. This includes patient demographics, medical history, laboratory reports, treatment responses, adverse events, and many other details. The success of a clinical trial depends heavily on the quality of this data. If the data is inaccurate, incomplete, or inconsistent, the entire study may fail. That is why clinical data management professionals play a critical role in ensuring data accuracy, integrity, and regulatory compliance. One of the biggest reasons people are choosing clinical data management is the rapidly growing demand worldwide. Thousands of clinical trials are conducted every year by pharmaceutical companies, biotechnology firms, hospitals, and contract research organizations, also known as CROs. As global research activities continue to increase, the need for trained CDM professionals is also growing significantly. Another major advantage of this field is career stability. Healthcare and pharmaceutical research are industries that continue growing regardless of economic conditions. New diseases, health challenges, and medical innovations constantly create demand for clinical research professionals. This makes clinical data management a stable and future oriented career option. The salary opportunities in CDM are also attracting many students and professionals. Freshers entering the field can receive competitive starting salaries, and with experience, they can move into higher positions such as clinical data coordinator, data validation associate, clinical data manager, database programmer, clinical systems analyst, or project manager. Many multinational companies also provide international exposure and global career opportunities. One important reason why CDM is becoming popular is accessibility for freshers. Students from pharmacy, biotechnology, life sciences, nursing, microbiology, biochemistry, and healthcare related backgrounds can enter this field. With proper training in clinical research processes, regulatory guidelines, and data management tools, many freshers successfully begin their careers in clinical data management. Technology is another factor making CDM highly exciting and future ready. Modern clinical trials now use electronic data capture systems, cloud based platforms, automation, artificial intelligence, and advanced analytics. CDM professionals work with industry standard tools such as Medidata Rave, Oracle Clinical, RedCap, SAS, and various clinical database systems. This combination of healthcare and technology makes the field dynamic and highly valuable in today's digital healthcare environment. Clinical data management also plays a direct role in patient safety. Before any medicine is approved for public use, regulatory authorities carefully review clinical trial data to ensure that the drug is safe and effective. Organizations such as the US Food and Drug Administration and the European Medicines Agency rely heavily on clean and accurate clinical data during the approval process. CDM professionals ensure that all submitted data meets strict quality and compliance standards. Their work ultimately supports safer healthcare decisions for millions of patients around the world. Another benefit of clinical data management is work-life balance. Compared to some other pharmaceutical sectors, many CDM roles involve structured office-based work, hybrid models, and remote opportunities. This flexibility makes the field attractive for professionals looking for both career growth and balanced working conditions. The future of clinical data management also looks extremely strong. Artificial intelligence and automation are transforming clinical research, helping companies identify missing data, improve efficiency, and reduce errors. However, human expertise remains essential for quality review, critical decision making, and regulatory compliance. This means skilled CDM professionals will continue to remain highly valuable in the coming years. So, if you are interested in clinical research, healthcare technology, data analysis, and pharmaceutical innovation, clinical data management can be an excellent career path for your future.
Subscribe to MedPharma Global on YouTube. Get the latest medical and pharmaceutical updates. Click the subscribe button and join our community.